This pallet is packed as tightly as we can so that the material does not shift, it doesn't get damaged in shipment, so that it arrives at its destination in good condition. It's pretty amazing how many things can get into a single pallet. This one has a table saw, it has a radial arm saw, it has a drill press, has a crate of hand tools, there's a lathe here. This particular crate is designed for the reception in a hospital, so there will be a workbench and the material that will work for them. We itemize everything that's in the pallet and put it on a list so that when it's packed into the container, they know exactly what they're going to receive. And you see about 50 different items within a pallet like this. It's pretty amazing, and that's 50 different kinds of items. There will be multiple drills and sanders and a grinder in this tool, and air compressors go and air tools go. And we see them here like this in the background. We have tools that will go particularly for a garage, and there's some request for this in South Africa, but also in Mali and Malawi, in Zimbabwe. Unemployment is very high. For people to be given something that they can actually earn a living with, hand tools are very good, but also mechanical tools, so that a person can have something to do through the days as they just get up. They have some purpose for getting up. We start with packings like this. This is a good table saw with a stand. This equipment is very usable, and it serves somebody for how many years, but we look at something like this can serve another person for a good 20 years, maybe even more. On this pallet, this is the beginning. These are the heavy things. This is a radial arm saw, which has a multiple use, different kinds of cuts, and a very useful tool for heavier construction. This is a table saw. It has been dismantled to some degree in this sense that the stand has been put with it so that we can pack more items onto the pallet. This is the fence that goes with the saw. This is a guide that goes with the saw as well. Now with this one, we'll send this as well, which is a stand that enables the saw to be moved on a platform that has wheels. I showed you a drill press that's going to this hospital, but we haven't got any more. Drill presses are very useful. We get them, but we don't have an abundance of them. So some countries get them. We send what we have, and we can't send more than that. In that sense, this is the beginning of a half-decent shop. This will be filled in. That will look something like this. It'll have tools, again, about 50 different tools that will go into this pallet as well. It's very good. It's just like Christmas when they open these packages. It really is. They are very, very happy to receive them. So thank you. In all of those areas, thank you very much for the things that you send. We help you to complete their cycle of generosity to people. They give to us and we pass it on to other people, and I wish we could tell you how much these things are appreciated at the other end. They really, really are. So if I can say that to you, thank you very much. It's very good.